Howdy, this is Terry, and I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to click that like button and look at the description of this video. I have all kinds of links, and on my homepage, you'll see a bunch of playlists for how I lost my weight. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. To get our potato salads going, well, our faux potato salad, we have turnips, and they're cubed up and gonna boil, and rutabaga, and they're gonna boil. Down in the turnips, I actually have 3 eggs that they're going to boil right along with the turnips. And so then when they're done, I will pull the eggs out and I can peel them and break them apart. Or, cut them up to go in the faux potato salad. So what I'd like to do is I want to compare the rutabaga and the turnip to see which one I like the flavor of better. So we're going to get these boiling and then we'll get started on it. So I want to try the difference between turnip salad and rutabaga salad. So I've got a little bowl here, and we're going to put in some Duke's mayonnaise. You use whatever mayonnaise you like. I'm doing it in a bowl so that way it's separate, and I'm going to add a little bit of salt. I'm going to add a pinch of black pepper. And in the previous one, I did some measurements. If you want that, you can do that. This is that seasoning that my mama got me. This is from, she got it up in, I think it was Maine. Where did she get it? Anyway, the New England states. Not New England, country England, but New England states. This is some ginger marinade. This is the pineapple, she used pineapple ginger marinade. Also, a lot of times people want their mustard. They want their their potato salad with mustard in it. So that gives it a honey mustard taste. And now this is the no sugar added sweet relish. Okay. Now this time, I wish I would have done it in a bowl last time first and tasted it. But then I would have kind of been, but then I didn't know how much liquid I needed either. So this time we're just going to kind of do it this way so we can see what we think. Give it a taste. That's good. So now I'm going to set it back here. We've got 3 eggs. I'm going to peel these and I'll be right back. I tell you, I don't know what happened, and I'm glad it happened though, but eggs, I always buy my eggs at Walmart, and I would say in the past year, they have gotten to where they peel really, really good. So I know I hear people say that the older the eggs are, the better they peel. So maybe Walmart's just getting older eggs. I don't know. I'm definitely not upset about it, because for years and years and years, I had the worst trouble getting my eggs to peel, the one that I got from Walmart. And then now, all of a sudden, they peel properly. I do not know. Like I said, I'm perfectly happy with it. No complaints here, but it's just different because I used to have to fight and fight and fight my eggs to get them to peel. But here lately, and it's not even that they're old, because I think I bought these last payday. So, anyway, like I said, I am not upset about it. I am quite happy about it. So, okay. So there, I follow Lori, and that's her method for doing them eggs. So that worked out well. So I'm going to use some of that over here. I think I'm going to better get a spatula. Hold on. And then put some of it over here in this one. And I could make up some more, but it won't taste exactly the same because it's never the same. So this way, even if it's a little light on the stuff, at least for our taste comparison, that's what I'm looking for. I want to know how they taste in comparison the turnips to the rutabaga salad. Here, let me swap out to this thing. I could put a lid on it and give it a big old shake, but alright. Now, let's get a spoon and taste for taste. Let's see which one we like better. Okay, I'm going to give this another stir here. I'm rough today. Alright, so rutabaga, my Baga salad. I love that one. I just love it. Now, give this a better stir. The eggs taste good in it. It's like the right amount of eggs. Judy, if you're watching, this one batch is definitely better. All right. Now let's try the turnip one. It still has that turnip bite. It's not bad, but it has the turnip bite that turnips have. But yeah, good. There we go. You can make your faux potato salad with rutabaga or turnip. Of the two, I personally, let me double check. I personally like the rutabaga better on this one. So, that's my favorite. This is good. I'll eat it. Don't get me wrong. I'll be eating it this week. It's good, but you just have the bite to it because of a turnip. Okay, you tell me which one you like better. So, try it. Take a rutabaga and boil it, and take some turnip and boil it, and see which one you like better. And let me know down in the comments which one you like better. Okay, bye.